Alright, so we did implicity, don't worry. So now we're coming into this one here. Ha! Now, alright, fine, let me not say anything. Let's make it product. I'll make it product like that. The product can be 3 terms or more. I can put 3 dots or 2, separating this one. The 2 and a sign as one factor. Or we can make them 3 like that. Doesn't matter. So I'm going to put it right there in the middle. So what am I going to do? So I'm going to write it as dy all over the dx. So you stop the first. The first, it's actually 2 sine of x. Derive the cos, meaning switch the sign. It's minus. Derive the angle. Well, it's going to be 1. Then I change it into cos. I'm sorry, change it to sine, not cos now. Change it into sine of x. Because it was product rule. Then plus, you stop the first. I need to stop the cos. I must derive 2 sine. You can now take it as a product. So I stop the 2, derive the sine. Well, it becomes cos of x, no matter what happened. And then I was supposed to do the product. It's going to be 0. That cos, the second cos was stopped. Then it will be cos of x. All right, if you look at that, this is minus sine squared plus 2 cos squared. If I write it differently, watch now, I'm going to pull out 2. I'm going to write the cos squared first. I'm keeping 2 outside the parentheses. I write the cos squared first. Cos squared of x minus the sine squared of x. I think you know that double angle. Don't you know that double angle? It's going to be 2. Yes, cos 2x. Yeah, you could do that. Or you could have used the other one. What is it? 2 cos squared minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sine squared. Either one. Can you see that? It's because we knew it. So as I'm doing this, you're already doing trigonometry. That algebra. The algebra you spoke about. So we said we're deriving. This one is a quotient rule. So the top is 0. And we multiply by the bottom, we get 0. And then, of course, okay, that's what we're going to have. So at the top, we've got minus cos. So I want to make it beautiful now. So I'm just going to say at the top, I've got minus the cos of x. I just need to divide everything by the sine squared of x. There it is. Can you see that? That's it. It's all over sine squared. We can change it into cot because cot is cos over the sine. And we also have the sine. But I don't have to do that. That one,